Hello guys, welcome back to Sourcefy YouTube channel and I'm Goda B2. So let's continue our web development series. So let's see what we are going to learn in today's video. At first, let me open this website, like the code of our website which we're making. So yeah, go to index.html and after that go live. Sorry. Okay. So in previous video I had talked about this how to make a form, okay, basic form, and give it a basic styling, okay, how to give some heights and width to this text box using email, okay, and phone, how to make these boxes, and after that how to make the submit button, okay, overall making a form, okay, making a basic form. So here you can also use a date is an important thing inside a form. You can just explore it, okay, from internet, or we will definitely look over this topic in depth in our next projects, okay. So if you do not know, this is our web development series and our motto is to learn through making projects, okay, means reverse, in one word, reverse engineering, okay. So we are making things, not really reverse engineering, but like this, okay. So we are making things and learning about our needs, okay. I think this is a very good technique to learn anything like web development. So for that reason, here is our series. Okay, let's open our PPT at first, and then I will discuss what we are going to learn in today's video. So, so as YouTube inside uh, HTML session. Nice. VS Code download manual link. You can use it, okay, you can scan it, okay, nice. So today we are going to explore the summary tag, okay, details tag and summary tag. So sometimes we have seen that there is a summary section or FAQ section, frequently asked question section, in any website, and there is a summary question, and if we click on the question, then the detailed thing is presented there, okay. So how we can do this? This is just a simple okay, a simple technique is like, at first you have to use the details tag, okay, inside it you have to use a summary tag and then corresponding text which you want to show to the user whenever the user will click on the button of summary, like in this text, okay. Like there will be a text displayed on the screen called here summary words or sentences. Whenever user will click there, then this detailed paragraph will be open for him or her, okay. So let's use it in our website, and let's practice or try to give some styling to it. At first what you have to do, let's make another section called FAQ, okay, just FAQ section starts. This is actually a good practice to divide your code section wise, okay. Whenever you will be using React in future, uh, then you will learn about how to manage codes module wise in a website, okay, in a single page website. uh, so this is our section for now, FAQ section, okay. So here simply make a section tag, and inside it you can give a class name called FAQ section, okay. In between this you can give this type of symbol, separate out this, and this is a section and inside this there you can put a div.faq, and inside this you can put some details like details tag. Okay, and inside detail you have to put a summary tag summary tag and another paragraph tag. Okay, so inside summary tag you have to write the summary form of your text. Like here you can see there can be a question: is this website content free to use in projects? projects Okay, after that you can give a summary to this to here. Okay, like for now just write lorem and it will generate a random text. Okay, let me write another. So once again, let me generate more. Yeah, it's good. Now let's go to the website. Here you can see, here in the corner you can see a new thing. Is this website content free to use in projects? Whenever we are clicking on this button, then the elaborated or descriptive form or detailed form is visible here, and whenever sorry, clicking here, this is closed. Okay, now we have to just give some styling to it. At first what we can do, we can there can be different type of questions na. So for that what we can do, just let's try to copy and by control D, let's see what will happen. Yeah, so it will not work. Just you have to copy this whole details tag and control D. Okay, let's say there is 5 questions. Now you can see it is showing like that. At first we want that this section will be in center. Okay, so for that what we can do, just go to its parent div. So this is the parent div. We have to access this parent div using its class. Here the class is FAQ. So FAQ parent. Okay, let's keep it okay, so now this is the class. Let's go to the style.css and dot, use dot before writing the class name as it is a class, and then control V, paste it. After that text align to center. Okay, now you can see this is showing like that. Okay, nice. In that way you can also give some space to it, but I will not use it here. I will give some margin to the text or to this div element. Let's say 5 rem should be the margin. Okay, now it is good, it is looking good, you can see here. And let's give it a border so that we can understand its area. So border of, let's say 2 pixel solid. 2 pixel means thickness. Okay, solid means it should be a solid color. Okay, let's say solid red for now. Okay, now it's looking like that. Now we want to give some padding here. So for that what we can do, just give a padding of 2 rem. Let's see. Yeah, now it's looking good. So now what we can do, we can attach also another styles also. Okay, nice. You can change these questions accordingly, according to your need. Now we can give some styling, some spacing outside of the single summary tag or like detail tag. Okay, so we can access it. How we can access it and give some styling? So for accessing it, just write this FAQ this class, and inside it access all details. Okay, like detail tag, access the tag directly. So there can be so many tags, and we want to give similar outside spaces for each detail tag or each this like of type of questions. Okay, FAQ questions. So for that, what we can do, at first write the class of the parent div, and after that, as we are accessing the element directly, so you can write the element name like details. Okay, details was the tag we were using. So inside it, just give a outside margin. Okay, like margin of, let's say, 1 rem. Okay, let's see what will happen. Now you can see there is some spaces now. So to confirm it, let me give a border for now. uh, 2 pixels solid. If you keep it solid, then black will be automatically allotted to as a color. Okay, now you can see, if you want to give some padding, so for that just give a padding of, let's say, 0.5 rem. Okay, let's see what will happen. Okay, now it's looking good. Now we can set some background color to it. So BG color, and inside it you can set it as gray. Okay, it's not looking good. We can just make it some whiter. Okay, now it's looking good. If we click here, what will happen? You can see this is now inside a box. Okay, like this you can give or attach many more properties. Okay, so many properties you can attach. You can do many things using this summary tag, or like this detail tag also. Let's say we want to change the background color of the summary paragraph. Okay, so you can access the paragraph tag and change the color or background color of this. Let's say we want to change the color of only the summary tag, so you can access it like I accessed this detail tag. Okay, you have to just write this dot FAQ parent, then details. Then if you want to access it directly, then just write after detail, just write summary, and then you can give some properties, CSS properties inside it. Or if you want to access the paragraph, or let's say you want to change the color of the paragraph when it will be shown, so for that, what you can do, you can just write dot FAQ parent, then details, then P. Okay, or you can give some class to it. Okay, and after, let's say, XYZ class, and after that you can also access it using its class too. Okay, so yeah, that's all basics, and how to use, how to give styling to uh, like FAQ section. There you can attach a heading here. Okay, for that, what you can do, simply let's say inside it, div dot heading, and and inside it you can just write FAQ. Okay, now you can see this is display, this is visible here, but if we access this FAQ using its class, let's say, let's give it a unique name. Okay, heading, then FAQ. Okay, so let's go to the style.css. We want to make it center, so we are accessing the parent div of the FAQ section, like FAQ text. Okay, so control V, heading, and then FAQ. This was the class name. So here we have to attach a dot before writing the class name, and inside it we can text align to center. Okay, and now you can see this is looking like that. We can also change the font size, like text font size here. So you can give it a like 4 rem of font size. Now it's looking like that. Okay, in that way you can apply many CSS property to different elements. Okay, today we have learned about how to use this or how to make this FAQ section. Okay, so let's see what we will do in next video. Let me plan it, and I'll be coming with this type of interesting videos. Okay, so this is actually a unique learning technique. You are learning through making a whole project. You can also attach it to your GitHub account, or as you can attach it to your anywhere you are as a project. You can actually use it. Okay, so okay, thank you for watching this video till the end, and thank you. If you have not watched our previous video, you can definitely go to our playlist. Okay, web development playlist, and from there you can complete our previous videos. Okay, thank you.